wabarakatuh. Going to the countries of disbelievers, is it allowed or not? That's the question. And specifically talking about tourism, going to Europe, going to different countries, kuffar countries. First of all, we need to understand one thing, that what is the basic thing, what is the basic belief in Islam is that if anybody traveling to a different country, if it is a non-Muslim country, it is always better not to travel there except for gaining knowledge. In the sense, if there is only specific knowledge given there, which is not available in Islamic countries or anywhere, then you can travel, inshallah ta'ala, or for da'wah, or for medical purpose, with this, inshallah ta'ala, you can travel, not a problem. This is the basic thing. Now coming to the question, what about tourism? Can we go or not? Some of the ulama they say that it is not permissible to go for tourism to the kuffar countries. Okay. Now, if you see the situation, some of the ulama also say that it is allowed to go for tourism as long as you are able to practice your religion. Long as you are able to practice your religion, and you are safe from any kind of a problem when it comes to religion or oneself. In that case, inshallah ta'ala, you are absolutely allowed to uh, go go for tourism to different countries, inshallah, no problem. This is what the ulama they say. Number two. Number three, talking about countries nowadays, talking about countries nowadays, Muslims are everywhere, alhamdulillah. Muslims are mixed. If you see the olden days, if you see 50, 100, 200 years before, what happens is Muslims are in certain countries, and there is not much mixing actually, like how we find nowadays. If you go to different countries, there is mixing. Muslims are everywhere. They're able to practice the religion. There is no any problem specifically. In case if in that country there is a problem for Muslims, again against Muslims, where they cannot practice the religion, going there is haram. Going there is haram. But if you go to another country where Muslims are there, but even though the kuffar Muslim, the country belongs to the kuffar, going to that country for tourism, not a problem, inshallah ta'ala, with the conditions that they are able to practice the religion and there is no harm upon oneself. With this, it is absolutely allowed. So this is the explanation among the scholars in brief. Barakallah fiqh.